Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing great. So let's jump into today's install and review. You know, the ponytail life chose me. I'm glad to be here. Before I tell you what I have installed, let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary or Ashimary. Some days I'm gonna say it Ashimary, some days I'm gonna say it Ashimary. I'm just gonna go with whatever one I'm feeling at the moment. Let's say Ashi today. Today's hair sponsor is Ashimary Hair. I have installed today a 24-inch yaki texture, 360 degrees, a glueless 13x4. This is with the newborn hairline. That means it's the kinky edges. You know, somebody who's smart decided we need to give the girls the most realistic hairline, and they thought realistic hairline means baby newborn hairline, kinky edges, okay, 4C edges. So if you look close, you can see that it's giving 4C edges. I didn't even do nothing to them. I just kind of brushed them forward here.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason. Throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Before I do detailing of the wig, I'm going to put it on so you guys can see what it's giving. That's what she's giving fresh out of the box. Okay, so now I'm going to mark where my ear tab is, so where I need to cut the lace. So basically right there. And you want to make sure not to be pulling on this strap, because you still want to leave that space there for that, because you need to scrunch that in. A DIY lace tint here. This tape. So I'm going to use like 3. I'm going to put one here, and then one here.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart.
And I'm going to put the wig on.
Say I'm not sensitive,
right there. I'm gonna lie, it is on the tight side. It is pretty snug. If you have a big head, I would suggest looking into getting a bigger size, because yeah, this one is giving pretty snug. Okay, so with that piece of lace that's here, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. You don't need to have that much lace. You can just, you know, do what you need to do. What I'm noticing is that the tape is looking shiny. I can see it through. I don't know. We tried the tape. It's okay for some things to be for some people and some things to not be for some people. The tape is not for me. This is the spray that I'm using, Ebon spray. It's not glue.
Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes.
I'm going to transition this hairline just a little bit here. I'm not removing the kinky right here. It's just right here I'm removing it. Just right here I'm pressing it out. Because I just want it to be a smoother transition. That's good, but we're going to go in with some of my powder. It's all messed up, but it's basically around my skin tone kind of shade. And I'm going to show you guys like the difference. So we have that side versus this side. I'm going to go in with this setting spray. That's what the edges are looking like. And it's giving very natural because it has the kinky edges. And you can wear her half down, half up. Very cute, very natural. It's giving, that's her hair. 4C edges coming through for the natural girlies. You can put it in a bun. Try to tell me that that's not my hair.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Okay, and this is another look that we did. Kind of part the hair and then I tied it in a scrunchie at the back. I did curl the wig off camera. And let's just comb through her and see what she's giving. Okay, that's what she's giving. I didn't want the baby hairs just like all up in my face like that. That's what your thing is. You could have that. It's giving very natural. It's giving this is her hair. You can see up close this is what the hairline looks like. Yeah, this is what this texture is, and it is a 360 glueless wig, so you can just secure the back. We did install it with some tape in the beginning, and then I removed the tape because I am just that real, y'all. I'm never gonna come on here and lie to you guys. I didn't like the tape, so I removed the tape, but if you like the tape, you can use the tape. They give you a bunch of them. You could probably do a few installs with the tape that they have included. So this is the glueless tape. You stick them on your hairline. You can stick them this way or you can stick them that way, and then you pull the wig forward and then Bob's your uncle. Well, I decided to go with the glueless method, which is Ebon. Okay, that's what we use. The white can, this gives a maximum hold. I'm glad that I used that because I was able to really melt in that lace and give HD, which is the whole point of this wig, is to make it look believable, to trick the world into thinking that this is your hair. And I believe I did that. We went with the classic bun life hairstyle because why not? We have to show you. But guys, you don't have to keep it in the bun. You can wear her naturally. You can wear her like this. I know there are a lot of natural queens that just want to break sometimes. And if you just want to break and you don't want to wear your wig all the way down or parted, and sometimes you just want it up, this is perfect for you because you have the options to do a ton of different styles and it looks so good. So I'm gonna link it in the description box, and there's always a discount code there, so use it on your purchase to save some coins, because who doesn't love saving coins? I know I do. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another review sometime soon. Don't forget to thumbs up this video on your way out and leave a comment. Love you guys. Bye.